doing well. I, Avika, working as an assistant professor in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. Today we are going to discuss about the precipitation titration. So, what is precipitation titration? Titration in which on completion of titration or on completion of the reaction, precipitates are formed, which is known as precipitation titration. So, it is one in which the titrant form a precipitate with the analyte. Titrant react with the analyte and forms the precipitate. The important precipitating reagent is silver nitrate. And in precipitation titration, silver nitrate is the main component or titrant reagent which is used. Titrimetric method which are based upon the silver nitrate or in which silver is involved, that titration is known as argentometric titration. Potassium chromate can serve as an endpoint indicator for the argentometric determination of chloride, bromide and cyanide ion by reacting with silver ions to form a brick red silver chromate precipitates in the equivalence point region. In the detection of chlorides, sodium chloride is estimated on the basis of its chloride ion by titration with silver nitrate solution. Sodium chloride is estimated with silver nitrate solution. So, for the precipitation titration, there are some requirements which should be fulfilled before the titration or at the time of titration. The rate of reaction between the precipitant and the substance to be precipitated must be fast. There should be no co-precipitation. The titration result should not be affected by the co-precipitation effects. The precipitate should be insoluble. A suitable indicator should be used to locate the end point of the titration. Now, if we talk about the solubility product, so what is the solubility product? In precipitation titration, it is very important. There is very important role of solubility product. The process of precipitation titration is completely based on the concept of solubility product. When the ionic compound dissolve in water, they go into solution as ions. Whenever we dissolve some analyte in some solvent or water, then it gets soluble and form ions. When the solution becomes saturated with the ions, this is unable to hold anymore. The excess solid settle at the bottom of the container and equilibrium is established between the undissolved solid and dissolved solid. What does it mean? It means when we dissolve something in water or in any solvent, then it will dissolve and get converted into the ions. And if we are adding more and more analyte, more and more amount of analyte, then it will get dissolved. But at some point there will be saturation point, means no more ions or no more analyte will get dissolved in the solution. Then the equilibrium will be established at that point. If we will add some more solid into that will settle down at the bottom and there will be equilibrium between dissolved and undissolved solid. It is defined as the product of concentration of ions in a saturated solution of an analyte at a given temperature. For example, if silver chloride, it get converted into Ag positive and Cl negative. Silver ions and chloride ions, this is its ionic concentration. According to law of mass action, if we calculate the solubility product constant K equal to Ag positive into Cl negative divided by AgCl, the concentration of AgCl remain constant, hence the above equation becomes K equal to Ag positive Cl negative. This is the solubility constant product which is known as KSP. Thank you and have a nice day. We will discuss more about the precipitation titration in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.